In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through a quick and easy step on how to appear offline on Fortnite. To appear offline on Fortnite, launch open your Fortnite game and make sure that you're in this page. Once you are, click on the menu bar at the top left. In the options, click on your profile avatar at the top left. Right next to online status, click on the button and set it to away. Once you change it to away, you'll be able to appear offline on Fortnite. Now you can see that your online status right under your profile has been changed to away. That is how you'll be able to appear offline on Fortnite game. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back with another easy tutorial videos like this. Goodbye till then.